This is from the hour of research I did online and on the TV weather, and with years if not decades of my life experience in the British winter, about 22 time in 22 British winter. Anyway, I want to say this. I believe it'll be raining tomorrow on Thursday, the 8th of January 2026. And then before Friday, near London, it will be sleet, heavy sleety snow. It won't settle at first, then it will settle on the grass, on the pavement maybe, if not salted or gritted, and on your car and on your rooftop and chimney. Then it might settle on the road a few hours later. The snow gets harder and heavier during Friday morning. If you live in town like Trow, Albury, or city like Oxford or Luton, I believe it's a city in my mind. But Luton's not really a big town in the eye of the government. My point is, and town like High Wycombe with Leather Hill, you will get lots of snow. It might even settle on the road. So try and wake up on Friday morning at 5 o'clock in the morning. Sit even at 7, even the temperature a bit mild, like 2 or 3 degrees warm in the morning, you might see a covering of snow in High Wycombe, even in lower places, but this is all my opinion. This is from hour of research in the weather. I don't think it will snow on Thursday. If you're lucky on High Hill, it might be sleet before Thursday to Friday midnight. It might become sleety snow if you're lucky on the hill, but I don't think it'll be mostly rain or dry. Be safe, everybody out there. Keep an eye on the weather. Download the BBC Weather app on Met Office. Bye.